This iconic and highly sought after Jaguar XK120 Roadster is a good, straight, honest California car wearing an excellent color combination of black with red interior. Not currently running, comes with 2 engines. It's been off the road in storage for quite some time under long-term ownership. As you can see, the interior is out of the car. The car does come complete with all of its interior. It's got an extra engine. It's all there, just needs a straightforward restoration, but this is the perfect car to restore because it's got a very straight body and it's super solid, being a California car, underneath and all around. I would go as far as saying the paint and chrome are even pretty presentable as they are. You could probably get away with a good detailing and buffing of the paint and chrome. And this car has a lot of potential. It wouldn't take much to turn it around and get it back on the road, turn it into a driver, or restore fully to your heart's desire.